Hi, this is Jack from TXMaya. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gang sheet with Canva. Let's get started right away. First of all, let's click on the Create a Design button on the right above. Then click here in the list that opens. Here we will enter our size. We will work with the inch system. For example, I enter the size 22 by 80. Then click this button. Loading our worksheet. This is the area where we will arrange the designs. You can upload your own design from the Upload section on the left. The designs you uploaded will come to this area. For example, I select a design, then I select my other design. Then I click on Position from the top. I will lock the aspect ratio. I enter the width of my design. Then I select my other design and set its width. I brought my design side by side. I copy how many I want with Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+V. You can duplicate how many you want by copying and pasting. If there is space in between, move your designs closer to each other to use them more effectively. This way you can place more designs on the page. You can fill this space with as many designs as you can. Let's make sure that the designs do not overlap each other and that there is enough space between them. Also make sure that they don't overflow out of the workspace. I fill my space with my designs and make my final checks. Everything looks good. Good spacing between designs, no overflow. Now I can export my gang sheet. Let's click on the Share button above on the right. I click on Download below. Let's not forget to select the background as transparent. The highest possible resolution will give better results. Make sure it is 3000 pixels minimum. The image should not be pixelated. Then we download the work. You can contact us if you need any help. Thank you.